Okay, class. Today we are going to discuss. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss profit and loss appropriation account of profit and loss. We have already discussed. We discussed appropriation account of joint stock companies. Okay. Now see, um, I have already told you in my previous lectures that profit is not based on ownership. Profit is based on the type of business activity or nature of business. Manufacturing business, it has a different income statement because it includes manufacturing account. And merchandising business, we discussed, and we calculated profit for a merchandising business where a trader buys and sells a product. We have discussed the income statement in previous classes. Trading and profit and loss account, both part of income statement. Now, what happens to the profit after business activities, based on business activity, whether it's a manufacturing business, a merchandising business, or a service like clinic or hospitals? What happens to the profit after calculating profit in income statement? What happens to the profit? The next step, what happens to the profit? Okay. So in sole proprietorship, the total profit is added to the capital account. In partnership, we don't need, because this is the advantage of sole proprietorship, that all the profit goes to the owner. So we add total profit calculated income statement to the capital in balance sheet. Okay. But for partnership and joint stock companies, we have to make an appropriation account, because now profit is going to be divided in partnership among partners, in joint stock companies to the shareholders, and remain in the profit. So we have to learn what happens to the profit. Now, sole proprietorship is very easy. It is added to the capital account. Done. Now partnership, how to make appropriation of profit in partnership, appropriation account in partnership. That was discussed on my channel on 12th August this year, 2021. 12th August 2021. I have posted a video where we have calculated profit, and then we have done appropriation account of partnership. So if you want to learn what happens to the profit in partnership, you can watch that video of 12th August 2021. Okay. The only thing remaining was what happens to the profit in joint stock companies. So how to make an appropriation account of joint stock companies. Are you getting my point? So today we are going to discuss the appropriation account of a joint stock company. Partnership we did. Sole proprietorship is very easy. Okay. Now means profit, after calculating profit in income statement based on nature of business. The profit is, what happens to the profit is, this depend upon nature of ownership, not nature of business. Okay. Sole proprietorship is very easy. Partnership, we have to make appropriation account. We did it on 12 August 2021. And today we are going to discuss what will happen to the profit in a joint stock company. This is the question. See, okay. Yeah, this is the first and most important thing. The company earns trading profit of 284,000. That was a trading company. We don't care trading or manufacturing. We need the amount of profit only, because we are not making trading profit or loss or income statement. We are just making appropriation. Now we have calculated the profit 284,000 profit from operations before payment of interest. So it means one payment of interest is left. We have to be very much careful about it. Okay. No interim dividends were paid during the year. Got it? No interim dividends were paid during the year. The directors decided to pay the dividends due on the preference shares, to transfer 50,000 to journalism, and to recommend a dividend of 50% of the ordinary shares. The retained profit account showing a credit balance of 10,600 on January 1st, 2002. Now see, The company included interest on debenture in profit and loss appropriation account. That was the interest. Interest on debentures was left in trading profit and loss account, means income statement, and you have to deduct interest from profit in appropriation account. Okay. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 2002. Okay, we'll make it, no problem. Now here we are making appropriation account of a company. Okay, no problem. Yes. Now, appropriation account. Now see, first what we have to take, retained earnings. Retained earnings on 1st January 2002. That was the retained earnings, the retained profit. The retained profit was showing 10,600 balance. Got it? Here it is, 10,600. So what we did, 10,600. That was the profit of the last year. Now add profit for the year. That is $284,000. Let me allow me to do the cell alignment. Okay. No. Okay. So total amount is 294,600. Done. Okay. Now less appropriations. Less appropriations. Okay. See, what are the appropriations? The first thing is debenture interest. Debenture interest. Okay, debenture interest. Now, loan capital. 400,000, 10% debenture redeemable after 10 years, issued on 1st January 1999. Means my date of debenture is very important because the debentures are not issued this year. Suppose it was issued this year, then we have to calculate the interest according to number of months these debentures were issued in this year. So that's why the date is very important. But it was issued in 1999, so nothing to worry about. Just calculate. $400,000 is your loan capital, multiply by 10%. It means 40,000 is your interest. Done. 40,000 is interest. Okay. 40,000. Debenture interest. Dollar. Done. Allow me to set the cell alignment. This is 40,000. Now, no interim dividend means sometimes when company earns unusual profits. So for the sake of the goodwill of the company, they give interim dividends to the shareholders. Okay, but they have not. This company is not given any interim dividend. Achha. Now we have to pay the final dividend. Achha. Final dividend. Okay, on the preference shares. Now, dividend on the preference shares is how much? See, achha, whenever you are working on joint stock companies, do not consider authorized capitals. Getting my point clear? Do not consider authorized share capital. Authorized share capital is the actually number of shares a company has allowed to issue by the government. Okay. So we do not. We consider issued and paid up capital. Okay. Now we have issued 200,000, 12% preference shares of $1 each. 200,000 multiplied by 1 is 200,000, multiplied by 12%. 24,000 is preference share dividend we have to give out of share dividend. We have to give to the shareholders, that is 24,000. Okay. What next? Okay. Transfer 50,000 to general reserve. Okay. General. That is 50,000. Okay. Now 15% dividend on ordinary shares. Again, 8,000 ordinary shares of dollar each means $8,000. Multiply by 1 means $8,000. Multiply by how much? We are giving 15% ordinary shares. So that would be $120,000. Okay. Ordinary share dividend. That is how much? $120,000. Okay. Plus 24,000 plus 40. $234,000 is the total appropriation. Okay. Now, retained earnings or retained (31/12/2002) is at the end of the year is how much? Yeah, we have to report it over here. 294,600. 60,600 is your closing balance of retained profit. Got it? This is how we make an appropriation account of companies. Personally, what I feel, appropriation account of companies, in my opinion, is always easier than partnership. Partnership appropriation account is a little difficult. It was posted on my YouTube channel on 12 August 2021. So you can watch that appropriation account of partner. It is a complete, it was done with an income statement also. So you will enjoy that question. Okay. How we appropriate profit in joint stock companies, we have done that. We have done this. Okay. The only difference that could appear here would be interim dividend. Interim dividend amount of that we have to just write over here. After debenture interest, we will write interim dividend and final dividend. That could be possible, further possibilities in this question. Okay, are you getting what? This is all about company's appropriation account. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want me to do something special, do it. Just leave a comment. Inshallah, from now onwards, I'm working on joint stock companies as well. Inshallah, we'll discuss balance sheet of sole proprietor, sole trader, partnership, and then inshallah, joint stock companies. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.